Gian, as an artist, what can you advise po sa mga gustong i-pursue ang paggawa ng music? Whatever you do, yeah, like stick to what you believe in, and don't let big opportunities fool you, kasi yung iba dyan parang dapat i-weigh nyo kung worth it ba or hindi. Like, if parang hindi mo mabibigay yung buong puso mo, don't do it. Like, you can thrive on your own, dears. Kaya nyo yan. May love song ba sa Silakbo? I think all of them are love songs. Pero like, love songs na nalagay sa iba't ibang perspective. Pero yun nga, if nabasa nyo yung magazine namin sa Billboard, we specifically told them na Silakbo album is about something that everyone goes through. Kaya excited na kami marinig nyo kasi it's really gonna bring you to a story. Yeah, na alam kong lahat nakaka-experience in real life. Gian. Ano, Gian? Gian, why are you still ina mabasa? Gian. Ha? Gian, wala po bang day 3 sa Araneta? Wala po. So ayun, actually very surprised and wow, thank you. Very surprised and thankful kami na nagkaroon ng day 2. We didn't really think that was possible. Tapos sold out pa, diba? Pero honestly speaking, we personally think na it's not yet our time to have a day 3 in Araneta. So yeah, maybe next year, malay natin. Pero ayun, every small win is a win. Baby steps. We're very proud of that. So maybe next year. Gian, excited ba kayo mag-Davao ulit? Of course! One of our solid crowds. Gian. Top 3 gigs. Top 3 gigs. Meron na akong mga nasabi noon, pero yung updated list siguro ngayon. First, pa rin yung sa Manila Bay. Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. Second, is yung sa pwede 4. First is yung Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. Second is yung wait lang, pwede 5. Okay, una yung Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. Second, okay, I mean, nag-iisip pa ako ng iba, pero yung pinaka pumapasok sa isip ko ngayon, NU Baliwag. Yeah. Third is yung sa ang dami kasing actually too many to say kasi napakaraming memorable na ano. Hindi ko na ma-rank, pero like in no particular order. Ayala Malls Manila Bay, NU Baliwag, Maski Pops 2024, what's that gig in Bicol? Naka-pink ako na naka-necktie. Na yung view namin Mayon Volcano. Ano yun? Saan yun? I need to know. Polangi, Bicol. Tapos Festival Mall. And then yung isa is it's either UST Legazpi or yung sa Alfonso Cavite. Yeah, isa yun sa mga top 6 favorites ko nung 2024. Yun. Pero syempre lahat. Gian gabi na. Actually, umaga na nga eh. Pero I can't sleep. Nasa SM ka kanina. Yes. Gian, may RN na po kayo. Saan? RN? Registered nurse? Meron na ako. G, any advice sa nagkakagusto sa bading? Wait lang. So, babae ka, tapos nagkakagusto ka sa bading. Anong i-advise ko doon? Hindi pa ba obvious kung anong dapat mong gawin? Random question po. Anong perfume gamit mo? Secret. Gatekeep. Girl boss. Gian. Ano daw? Gian. Kung may gusto kayong makakolab, sino and why? Top of the list, for me, siguro, if male, Maki. If female, Angela Ken. Gian, any what? Gian, excited na 7-year-old little Jowa sa Silakbo concert. See you. See you, baby boy or baby girl. I don't know. Baby gay. Basta see you. Favorite line sa isa sa mga song na nasa Silakbo. So we actually released 2 lyric teasers na. Yung first lyric teaser na pinost namin, guys, yung what's that? Wait lang, basahin ko. Ito, yung bawat buklat ng aklat, binabalikan, mga liham na ang laman, ligayang dala, ikaw lang ang may akda. Wait lang. Actually, yung pinaka-favorite line ko, yung sinulat ko sa bandang last part ng track number 4. Pero ito na lang. Since ito yung una naming tinis, meron din akong favorite line sa song na to. Pero yun lang yung sabihin ko for now. Saan ba yun? Ito. Once ko lang to sasabihin na. Ito. Pwede ko ba to sabihin? Okay, January naman na eh. Nais na maramdaman muli kung paano isulat ang pangalan mo. Ngunit, bawat letra ay mahirap nang iguhit dahil binubuo nila ang iyong mga pangako. That's how straightforward, that's how vulnerable, that's how raw, that's how transparent Silakbo album is. And we're very excited for you guys to hear everything. And sana excited din kayo. Yes. That is from track number. Memorize ko yung album. Track number 6. Favorite Olivia song? Wait, what's the first thing that came into mind? Enough for You. Sa Sour. Sa Guts, Pretty Isn't Pretty. Ano daw? Gian. Sino bias mo sa Bini? Siyempre yung ano pa rin. Misteryoso ko pa rin. Wow. Forever. Gian, what's your favorite interaction with KZ? Sa ano? Sa Circus Fest nung 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 nag-meet kami nila Sir TJ, tapos andun siya, so like tuwang-tuwa siya sa outfit ko. Sabi ni Kuya TJ, grabe, very KZ ka manamit, sabi niya ganun. Tapos si KZ pinupuri niya yung leg warmers ko tsaka yung boots ko. Tapos sabi niya, anong size mo? Ganto ganyan. Chat mo sa akin yung address mo, papadalan kita ng platform boots. Ayan, ganun. Ayan. Actually, pinost ko yung video na nagtitinginan kami ng boots. Ano daw? Are we expecting 10 songs sa Silak? Oo nga, 10 songs, including Multo. So, you're gonna be hearing 9 new songs on January 17. Woo! Excited na kami, guys! Excited na ako, promise. What's your comfort movie? Oh nga, no? Comfort movie. Siguro ngayon, medyo mainstream, pero Wicked. Like, as in, nung napanood ko yun sa sinehan, grabe yung iyak ko dun sa Ozdost ballroom scene. Tingin ng nails. There. Medyo may chip na yung isa eh. Ito. Na putol na, pero yeah, yan. Gian, what's your comfort food? Shrimp. Gian, magpapalit ka ba ng profile picture sa TikTok? Oo nga, no? Ewan ko. Baka hindi muna. Hala, meron akong favorite song sa Wicked. Kakantahin ko ngayon. Dali, bago kayo matulog. Please. Hulaan yung favorite song ko sa Wicked. Defying Gravity. I'm not that girl. Amen. Amen, Wicked. Grabe. Nice one. pang pwede nating kantahin?